Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Standard 5th Looking Around Environmental Studies. In that chapter number 1. Your chapter name is Super Senses. See, main question number 1. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in a box provided against each question. Number 1. The sense of smell of which animal is helpful in catching criminals? Option A horse, B camel, C elephant, and D dog. Answer is option D dog. Number 2. Which bird has eyes on the front side of its head just like human beings? Option A owl, B parrot, C crow, and D pigeon. Answer is option A owl. Number 3. Which animal can see 6 times better at night than human beings can? Option A cow, B bear, C tiger, and D deer. Answer is option C tiger. Number 4. In which colors can animals that stay awake during the night see objects? Option A red and yellow, B black and white, C green and red, D black and green. Answer is option B black and white. Number 5. The ears of which of the following animals can we not see? Option is option A bulls, B donkeys, C crocodiles, and D goats. Answer is option C crocodiles. Number 6. Which of the following animals is the one that hangs upside down on branches and sleeps for almost 18 hours every day? Option A monkey, B a langur, C a sloth, D a python. Answer is option C a sloth. Number 7. Which is the sanctuary for birds in Gujarat? Option A Gir, B Nal Sarovar, C Balaram, D Saputara. Answer is option B Nal Sarovar. Main 2. Filling in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. Animals can experiences taste, smell, and blanks. Answer is animals can experience taste, smell, and other thing is feelings, means emotions. Now number 2. Blanks are birds that can see in the dark also. Which birds are that can see in the dark also, means in the night also? That one is the owls. Answer is all owls. Number 3. Animals that stay away during the blanks can see some colors. Answer is during the daytime. Number 4. Birds have small holes covered with feathers in place of blanks. Birds have a small holes covered with feathers in a place of ears. Instead of ears, birds have a small holes and human beings have a ears. Now see number 5. Fish give warning with blank signal. Fish give warning with electric signal. Number 6. A lizard goes into a long, deep sleep during the blank season. A lizard goes into a long, deep sleep in the winter season. Answer is winter. Number 7. A tiger marks and separates its area with its urine. Answer is urine. Number 8. The Gir National Park in Gujarat is a protected area for lions. Gir National Park is there, then it's a specialization for lions. Now see main 3. Put a right mark in front of the statements that are true and a wrong mark in front of those that are false. Number 1. An ant recognizes another ant by its smell. Answer is true. Number 2. Mosquitoes find us with the help of our body odor. True. Right. Now see the next page. Number 3. A dog's sense of smell is very sharp. Answer is a true. Number 4. A sloth looks like a tiger. So wrong. False. Number 5. Most birds have eyes in front of their heads. False. Wrong. Number 6. A kite means bird can see only those things that are near it. So false. Wrong. Number 7. Animals cannot see as many colors as we can. So true. Now see the main 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answer column. First of all, we will see the column A, that are animals. Number 1 ant, 2 dog, 3 tiger and 4 eagle. Now column B, it's a speciality for the given animals. See the number 1, its whiskers are very sensitive. Number 2, can see things that are very far. 3, walk in a straight line. 4, hangs upside down on a branch and sleeps. 5, has a very sharp sense of smell. Now see the number 1 ant. Ant match with the 3, walk in a straight line. Okay. Number 2, it's a speciality of ant, walk in a straight line. Number 2 dog. Dog speciality is has a very sharp sense of smell. Number 3 tiger. Tiger speciality is its whiskers are very sensitive. Number 4 eagle. Eagle specialities is can see things that are very far. Now see question answers, main 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. See the question number 1. How do ants recognize their friends? Answer is ants can recognize their friends by their specific smell. See the question number 2. How does a mosquito know where a human being is? Answer is they can find with the help of smell of body and the sole of feet and temperature of body. See the question number 3. Name any 2 animals that go out in search of food at night. Answer is bat and owl that goes out in search of food at night. Number 4. How does a snake hear? Answer is snakes do not have external ears. They can only experience the vibration of the ground and hear with their help. See the question number 5. How do fish give warning signals? Answer is fish give warnings with electric signals. Question number 6. What do dolphins do to pass messages to each other? Answer is dolphins make various sounds to pass messages to each other. Question number 7. In what ways do human beings make use of the special sense of smell of dogs? Answer is human beings use the special sense of smell of dogs to catch criminals, to detect bombs and to locate lost items. Now see the next page. Question number 8. Write the name of a bird which has eyes in front of its head like in the human beings. Answer is the owl is a bird which has eyes in front of its head like in human beings. See the question number 9. Which birds can see things that are a distance of 4 times the range of human sight? Answer is birds like kites, eagles, vultures, etc. can see things that are a distance of 4 times the range of human eyesight. See the question number 10. Write the names of 4 birds which have eyes on either side of the head. Answer is crows, pigeons, sparrows, kites, doves, etc. Question number 11. From what distance can an eagle in the sky see a roti on the ground? Answer is Eagle can see a roti lying on the ground from a distance of 1 to 2 km high. Question number 12. Write the names of 6 animals whose ears are bigger than our ears. Answer is animals like elephants, horses, cows, bulls, buffaloes, goats, donkeys, deer, rabbits, etc. Question number 13. What is a sanctuary? Answer is a sanctuary is an area which has been declared as protected for the conservation and increase in numbers of those wild animal or bird or a plant species which are in danger of extinction. Now we will see the main 6 in the next video part 2. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.